Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, this is your English reader book of class 5th, and in this video we are going to explain chapter 2, and the name of chapter 2 is Tenali Meets Babar. Okay, so students, can you tell me the name of chapter 2? The name of chapter 2 is Tenali Meets Babar. Okay, so students, before starting this chapter, I am going to tell you some introduction about this chapter. So, Tenali Raman was a famous jester and poet in the court of Krishna Dev Rai, the king of Vijayanagar. Okay, so students, here jester means one who cuts the jokes and makes people laugh. So, students means to say that this story is about Tenali Raman, who was a famous jester and poet in the court of Krishna Dev Rai. And Krishna Dev Rai was the king of Vijayanagar. Okay, so students, many stories are told of his wit and wisdom. So students, whose wit and wisdom we are talking here? It's none other than it's Tenali Raman. So, read about his adventure at Emperor Babur's court. Means to say that in this chapter we will read one of his most adventurous trip, Emperor Babur's court. So students, concentrate on my reading. Let's start chapter 2. The tales related to Tenali Raman's intelligence and wit had reached far and wide. So they also reached the Mughal court in Delhi, where Emperor Babur ruled. Hearing about Tenali Raman, Babur wished to meet him and sent a messenger. Okay, so students means to say that the story related to the intelligence and wit of Tenali Raman. On the other hand, we can say that Tenali Raman's intelligence, story and witty activity is famous all over country. Tenali Raman's intelligence story was not only limited within the Vijayanagar, it's spread out to India. It reached Delhi Emperor Babur's court. When Babur heard about Tenali, he wants to meet him personally. So he sent to a messenger to Krishna Dev Rai's court. Okay, so students, now next paragraph. When Babur's messenger reached Vijayanagar, Raja Krishna Dev Rai, the ruler, grew apprehensive. He thought that the Mughal emperor had sent his messenger to find an excuse to attack his kingdom. So students, here grew apprehensive means become anxious or worried. So when Babur's messenger came to Krishna Dev Rai's court, he became worried. He thought some other way. He thought maybe the Babur's Mughal court is going to attack on Vijayanagar, and Vijayanagar is the kingdom of Krishna Dev Rai. Okay, so students, now next paragraph is the Raja was relieved when the messenger said, "Our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman. Maharaj, please send him with me to the Delhi court." Here, the Raja was relieved when the messenger told that our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman. The messenger said that, "Maharaj, please send Tenali Raman with me to the Delhi court." What are all negative thoughts came to Krishna Dev Rai's mind, he get resolved when he heard Babur wants to meet Tenali Raman. Okay, so students, now next paragraph is the Raja agreed. He said, "Tenali, I order you to go with this messenger to the Mughal court and prove your mettle." So students, here prove your mettle means prove your worth. When Krishnadev Rai heard, he called Tenali Raman and he ordered to Tenali Raman, "You go with this messenger and to the Mughal court and prove your worth. What are all quality you have that you prove your mettle in the court of Babur." Now next paragraph is, remember, the honor of our kingdom is in your hands. If you impress the emperor and get a reward from him, I promise to gift you 10,000 gold coins. Tenali replied, I will not let you down, your majesty. What do you have to remember? You have to remember your honor of the king, means to say that the honor of Vijayanagar is in your hands. And Raja said, if you impress Babur and get a reward from him, when you come back, I will also give you a reward of 10,000 gold coins. So Tenali Raman replied, don't worry, Maharaj, I will not let you down. Means, I will prove myself in front of Babur and I will get a reward. I will try my best, he said. Now, next paragraph is, the next day Tenali left with the messenger. When Babur heard that Tenali Raman had arrived, he said to his courtiers, you all know he is a very witty man. However, if I find anyone laughing at his jokes, that person shall be punished. So, means to say that next day Tenali Raman and messenger started journey towards to Delhi. When Babur heard that Tenali Raman already to the Delhi court, he called his courtiers and he ordered them, you all know Tenali Raman very witty, means to say that you all know that Tenali Raman's behavior and he is very witty man. Okay. So, if anybody laughed at his jokes, I will punish them, he ordered his courtiers. Now, next paragraph is, at the royal court, Tenali tried many antics, but no one smiled. He said many amusing, witty, and wise things, but to no effect. 15 days passed by, but all his efforts to make people laugh failed. Tenali understood that something was amiss. He realized that the Mughal courtiers were deliberately keeping a somber face. Tenali knew that defeat would mean losing prestige and honor for Vijayanagar, as well as his own position there. So he thought of a plan. Okay, so students, means to say that at present Tenali Raman arrived in the Mughal court and he tried many antics. So students, antics means funny or unusual behavior. So he tried again and again to make courtiers laugh in the Babur's court, but no one ready to smile. He said many things, many witty things, and many wise things, but in front of the courtiers, but nobody ready to laugh, but no effort. Okay, like this 15 days passed. Effort he were all putting in front of courtiers. All are failed. Then Tenali Raman realized what he realized. He realized that the something was amiss and amiss means wrong, that something was wrong. So students, deliberately means serious. He were making their face serious. Keeping somber face means they were looking serious. And Tenali knew what he knew. He knew that all efforts failed in this task, and he said, I will not lose my position in the Vijayanagar court. Okay, so students, he thought of a plan. So what is the plan of Tenali Raman? We see in the next video. Okay, so students, remaining paragraph will continue in the next video. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you.